Hey Dave, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I'm here taking a look at the roof. I know you wanted to get the gutter cleaning on the front porch, possible roof cleaning on the front porch as well. But I like to come by and take a quick site visit. That way I know exactly what I'm getting into before we get you an estimate. A couple of things to think about when it comes to the roof cleaning. Even if we were to just do the front porch here, which would be a good thing, I'd highly encourage you to get of the roof cleaned. There's a lot of algae and moss present throughout the roof. So once these algae systems take root, they actually grow root systems down into the shingles. So your whole roof really could benefit from a full cleaning. It's a soft wash process. The gentle detergent cleaner actually eradicates any living organic matter that's feasting on the limestone in your shingle. Over time, the shingle manufacturers have had to get creative in making asphalt shingles because the oil refineries are actually doing a better job at making the petrochemical oils that they make shingles out of. So the asphalt that they make shingles is ultimately more expensive throughout the years. So the shingle manufacturers are adding a crushed limestone into the shingle as a filler to reduce the cost of their product, and as a result you see a lot of organic material feasting on that. So not taking care of the algae and anything that is growing on your roof actually can prematurely shorten the lifespan of your roof. So Multi-Man Services, this is all we do, is roof cleaning, house washing. Very familiar with working for your neighbor here. First we would start off by getting all the debris removed off your roof and possibly flushing inside your gutter guards to make sure those are flowing. The gutter cleaning really would only be for the gutters that don't have guards on them. The gutters that you do have, the bullnose style gutter guards, over time those get clogged. Not sure if you're wanting me to flush those out. We do have the ability to do that. So any questions you have about our service and how we go about doing the work, you can expect your roof to come clean the same day result. All that black streaking will be removed, but your roof will actually look worse before it gets better. Any of that green stuff, lichen and moss, it turns white or yellow, which means that it's dead. And we're going to wait for it to dry up and the hard rains to flush out your roof naturally so we don't disturb any of those enamel granulars as well. But also take a look at a couple of videos from Roof Max. You can YouTube Roof Max and see how also you can continue to preserve and condition your current asphalt roof. Over time, the sun bakes out those original petrochemical oils out of your roof. It starts to dry up. You get thermal cracking, excessive degranulation. But Roof Max actually helps preserve and maintain your roof. You can do up to 3 treatments for 5 to 15 years extra lifespan on your roof. So great cost maintenance savings there. So owner operator on every job here, living operating out of Beloit, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for the opportunity to work for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to call or text me on my cell, 815-520-6020. And we look forward to working with you and your neighbors here in the future. Take care.